Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tumetembelewa na mgeni
Baraka Maina.
Okay, tuambie majina yako matatu.
Baraka Maina, and I got another name and nobody knows.
Nobody knows that about that name?
Yeah, it's Karanja.
Karanja. Okay, in our studios today we have the youngest content creator here in US. Now, what do you do?
I do videos.
Videos?
Yeah.
What kind of videos?
Some good videos, and sometimes I got some people's watching it.
Okay. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Baraka Maina.
Baraka Maina.
Yeah.
Approximately how many videos do you have?
Videos 202.
202.
Yeah.
How many subscribers do you have?
57 subscribers.
Okay. Who takes you to where you take your videos?
My dad always make me go everywhere, and she make me be a YouTuber.
And by the way, you didn't say hi to your dad. Can you say hi to your dad and your mom?
Hey, Dad and Mom.
No, on camera.
Hey, Dad
because
and
they are
Mom.
not here. Say it on camera. Mention their names and say hi to them.
Hey, Dad and Mom.
Okay. Okay. Where do you come from? From Kenya?
In Vika.
Vika?
Yeah.
Ulianza hii mambo ya videos ukiwa wakati ulikuja Amerika ama ukiwa Kenya? Amerika. Kwa hivyo ukiwa Kenya hukufanya video hata moja? Hukufanya hata moja?
No.
Okay. Na unajua uko state gani hapa Amerika? Washington. So na umetobia uko na videos kama gapi?
202.
202. Kwa muda gani?
What?
Umeifanya kwa muda gani? 1 year, 6 months. How many?
Like 5 months.
5 months, 202 videos.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have something new for us that we are expecting in your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm making a new video.
Yeah, okay.
And it's today. You gotta watch it.
Okay. It's all about what?
My things in YouTube.
Yeah.
Some stuff from YouTube for me.
Okay. But do you want to would you like to tell us it will be all about what?
YouTube.
Okay. Kuna siku nilikuona kwa maua. Ni wapi huko? Ni Kenya?
No.
Ni wapi?
Washington, almost to Canada.
You travel all the way almost to Canada?
No, it's Washington. Almost Canada is right here, and Washington is right here. Like 2 steps, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 steps away.
If I go there, can I get the flowers?
No, you can't get it. You can't touch it because some people can't touch it because you can't touch the flowers because there's people there.
Did you tell us how old are you?
No.
How old are you?
7.
7 years?
Yeah.
Do you go to school?
Yeah.
Which class are you in? Which grade?
First grade.
First grade. Do you remember the name of your school?
Yeah.
Which is the school?
In Kenya or America?
Where do you go to school? In Kenya or here?
In Kenya.
Which school did you go to Kenya? Which school did you go to Kenya?
Glorious.
Okay, Glorious. Okay, what about here in America?
Washington State.
Okay. Tell us something about you that we don't know.
We don't know.
Tuambie jambo kitu yako ambayo hatujui.
You guys don't even know everything I got.
Then tell us today.
I got what would you remember? Church. I make a video and go meet my son in church.
Okay.
And I got some I got some friends in here. I got many friends in Kenya and America,
Yeah, okay.
and you guys never know that. But some people know my friends in Kenya, but some people don't even know my friends in America.
Okay, do you have friends here in America?
Yeah, like 5.
5.
Wait, it's called Francisco.
Don't mention them.
Okay.
But they are 5, eh?
Yeah, but wait, let me count them.
Okay, but don't mention their names.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jason, Daniel, Jaden, and Fiona. I think four.
Okay. Which church do you go here in America?
IPC Washington Church.
Okay. Do you know the pastor in that church?
Yeah,
What's the name of the pastor?
Karanja.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
Chapo and Jahe.
Chapo and chahe.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to invite people to subscribe, to like your video?
Okay. Subscribe, like, and share, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
You could watch the video. Bye.